I'm going to go over the steps to assemble and install the Tosot 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. On the bottom right, on the back of the unit, there's a hole that you can screw in your drainage clip, and it comes with the screw. You just want to snug down the screw, don't over tighten it. On the back of the unit, on the very bottom, there's a rubber plug that you're going to remove. Attach your drain hose to this rubber barb on the back of the unit. Press it on, and there's a spring clip to hold it in place. A rubber plug should be on the end of your drain hose. If not, insert it and then use the clip to hold it in place. On the back of the unit, there's two places to install your power cord hooks. You're going to have one facing up and one facing down, and you're going to hold them in place with a screw in each. There's a connector for the exhaust hose that comes in two pieces. You're just going to fit the tab in the slot and press it together. There's a window panel that the connector slips into. The connector is marked top and bottom. You want the top up, and you're going to snap the connector in place. The outside of the connector has a protective grill. You're just going to set it over it and screw it in place with two screws. There's a rain guard for the outside of the window panel, and it's going to be held in place with a bolt, a washer, a locking washer, and a nut. Put your bolt in first, then your washer, then your locking washer, and your nut. Depending on the width of your window, it comes with an extension panel to make it longer. It comes with weather stripping to put onto the window sill and the top of the window panel, but I'm going to be skipping this step because I'm not putting it into this window permanently. You would adjust your window panel to fit into the window's width, and then you can use a screw or two, depending on how wide it is, to hold it in place. The unit also comes with weather stripping to put on the top of the window to stop any drafts, and it comes with clips that you would put on the top of your bottom sash so no one accidentally opens it. Pull up a small section of the exhaust duct so that we can slide this into the fitting that will attach to the unit. Screw your fitting clockwise onto your duct. Pull out a small section on the other side of the duct, and you're going to screw this onto the connector on the window panel. The connector has one side marked top, and you're going to connect this to two grooves on the back of the unit right in the center. Slide it down until it snaps in place. Before you use it the first time, make sure it sits in the upright position 3 or 4 hours before you turn it on.